Yo, and welcome back to my channel. This is Kipasidad channel and newest vlog, newest content, and newest kabuang na naman. Newest kabuang na naman tayo, And before that, get to the intro of my channel and let's go, Let's go.
I deserve it, now they chase these suckers pretend it may.
Stop the cap, play ball like a cop. Suka ba mo check sa akong IG? BBS akong drip mo rin Nike. Too cold on my skin Stanley. Get a feeling of back, who can stop me?
Copy, not me, never been sloppy. Been a long time, but your boy still bossy. Hot outside, but the next still bossy. Pull a 5 deep with a C more bossy. Y'all too easy, ba't ako mga sulat kalamosi? Bakit mo kang pilit? Huwag kang magumulat. Asa ka pa na magaya, I'm the one and only. Sige, nang nasige, believe it. Nang walang pagsisisi. Buhos mong lahat hanggang makakaya mo. What's up, I'm with you. Ilagi, malaki daw kahit pa na ano.
So, and welcome back to my channel. This is my a day in my life in school of our PE and bar and beverage, no, day number 7. Okay, guys, this is my a day in my life in our PE and bar and beverage, day number 7. So, let's go and update ko na kayo kapag nandun na ako sa school namin, no? Update ko lang kayo. So, babayos. So guys, no? Nandun ako sa school. So, try na ako ito sa court. Basin na sa ito, guys. Na dito ang PE nga na klase, no? Ako talaga sa court, so please, sa main building, no? Okay, so ang ganito na, so it's just walking na tayo, no? Walking, no?
I didn't have to wait. Ask me if you love me, you didn't hesitate. Turning all things new, gray skies blue. Yeah, the church said you won't, he do it. I know he's got my back. That's why I'm singing that I'm about to have a good day.
Bukas, ma'am? Oh, ask ma'am. Ask ma'am, gali. Ha? Isa yun, ma'am.
Madami. Ito na lang isa mo sa nila. Ito ay si ma'am na dito nasa office. Nag-video ka?
Oh, video.
Hi, vlog.
Hello. Vlog.
Kuya, ay masayang vlog. Mga followers niya. Shout out. Shagit, shout out.
Ay, crush yun yun? Ha? Diloy. Diloy.
Pwede mo na. Mahirap ko na.
Diloy, ate. Diloy. Ha?
Ay, grass.
Sa cartoon day. Ano sa cartoon? Ano madam cartoon?
Kaya magkuhan kayo nila, mag-lugar ka.
guys. So, nasugod namin guys. So, mga guys. Guys. Update na lang muna ako guys. O ka nang nagsugod namin guys. No? Or, mana may kuhan guys. Mana may kuhan guys. Kuhan guys. Mga guys. No? So, mga guys. Bye-bye. So, guys, okay. So, muna na may kuhan guys. PE guys. Kuhan man today. Bigun sa PE. Ano siya about sa pag kuhan guys ba? About sa pag exercise guys ba? About sa pag exercise. So, ano to? So, update na lang muna ako guys kung nagsugod na mig-bar guys, no? Update na lang muna ako guys, no? So, babayers na, no? Babayers, no? So, bye. And, update ko lang kayo. Okay? Bye. So, guys, so na ako sport guys. So hawat mi sa amuang nga tawagon mi sa amuang group nga group 8 guys, no? Wag ako sa tawagon mi ni sir, no? Kay kung di na ba muna guys ba susunod ba ano siya susunod. So guys, no, update na naman ako guys. O gitawag namin guys, o kami naman sunod guys, no? Kay kami guys, group 8, okay? Sa among bar and beverage, no? Okay, babayers. So guys, no? Nan ako sa room guys, and nan ako sa room. So mga to guys, dito ko naman. Muna sila guys, no? Muna sila guys, no? Sukod namin guys. So, update na naman ako guys. O kining nasukod namin kuhan guys. Nimog kuhan guys. Kining abot sa kaling mga recipe guys. Kaling mga shopper. O kaling mga martini. O kining kuhan guys. Kining Bloody Mary guys. No? Update na ako guys, no? Babayers na, no? Babayers! Dikit pre, labas mo pre. Lahos lagi. Pas sa pre, video sa pre. Jay, pas-pasay. Pasay mo. Pasay. Dumagi pa. Dumagi. Pagpasay mo kay pangalami. Lami man na, lami. Gamay na kayo. Dumagi. Anak kadagdan, anak kadagdan. Sige pa. Siya katuwa. Video na. Uy, yawa na pa ang puji uy. Ayaw lang, Butay tubig. Pre, BJ. BJ ka na, BJ. Lako pagin bay. Wala na Oh, nara. Puna, pre. Kira pre. 1, 2, 3. Ayun nun. Yawa. Hey guys, so namakupan guys, BJ guys, BJ ako ba? Buko juice. Ira na. So manakos BJ guys. Ay sunod, maging ka ng kwan guys, abot kay mga Vladimir guys, Martini kinikon guys, glass shopper guys, you know. So dito naman ako guys, nasuod na guys, no? Buyers na no? No? Ay, matandok ang kamot.
还好我终于见到你，我过了时间终于再次见到你，可以什么都不做，就只是抱着你，牵着我的手吧，一起飞到月亮去。你一直都是感觉最闪耀的女孩，是我有生之年见过最漂亮的女孩，一直在艰辛等待着你回来，在下个转角和你撞了满怀。你是我的天，你是我的月亮，你是我的命，像是的眼就让我起了反应，真想要发疯，让我的心。Let's go。
Wow.
Wherever you stay, don't you forget the love.
Wow. Hi, Rose.
In your neck, stand you down. If that's you feel these words inside your chest. You are loved, you are chosen. Your body isn't broken. Is a better on its own. You gotta light inside to radiant light. If you don't think so, let me change your mind. Wherever you stay, don't you forget that love is always coming your way. Working you out, don't you forget that love is always coming your way. You gotta do a thing to get that love. You gotta act nice to get that love. You stuck inside that mud, the sun's gonna shine down on us. If you ever felt left out, burdened or weak, I promise that the lie straight from the enemy. Coming for your mind, body, soul, and energy. But do not be deceived, cause you are love.
So guys, Pauling ako guys. Ayun naman may con guys. Bar and beverage guys. So, pauling ako. So, amot na ako con guys. Sa kanan. Then, dito naman ako guys. So, con guys. Dito na ako sa balay guys. Yan na guys. Pauling ako guys. Ano? Nasa kanan ako guys. So, muna na guys. Ano? Babayers. Ano?
Don't you forget that love is always coming your way. Always.
So, nakakaskan guys. Dito sa practice guys. So, pauling ako. And, capital din na. Pag mo namin ka ng mga bars or like yung BJ nga shot o itong maghimog ka ng mga itong gasapper nga cocktail, no? Tapos itong Bloody Mary o tapos itong Martini, no? So, kato lang sa ano. So, update lang muna ako guys og pulin ako guys, no? So, walking mo tayo guys, no? Mga guys, no? Mga guys, no? Walking tayo guys, nanatas practice guys. So, walking, no?
Oh, I just wanna say thank you.
I just wanna say thank you. Everything you for me to so I should have told you. I just wanna say thank you.
I just wanna say thank you. I just wanna say thank you. It's your breath inside my lungs. So I say it till I'm done, Lord. Thank
Anyari
you.
doon?
I woke up feeling great.
Ay, mga hero. Hoy!
Put up on my plate, whoa.
Ay, away mo ah.
So again, you've been good
Ah.
to me. Looking back, I know you're the one.
Mga konti mo ah.
Get me paid to move mountains. How could I be thirsty when I'm sipping from your fountain? Praying for my boy, what the English comes around and and if you didn't do a thing, I'd still be here at your feet. Cause your love is all I need. So I just wanna say thank you. I just wanna say thank you. Everything you brought me through. By your blood I've been made new. I just wanna say thank you. I just wanna say thank you. It's your breath inside my lungs. So I'll say it till I'm done, Lord.
Video, for my next content, no? For my next vlog, no? No? Goodbye, and thank you for watching for my new channel. Huh? Go and babayers, huh? Go from the index intro of my channel. Go and
We run, we go hard like we lose done. Onion sun, slicing, dicing in the now we run, we go hard like we lose done. Onion sun, slicing, dicing in the like
Get it, sweat it, hey. I just have it, now they chase. These suckers pretend it may.
Stop the cat, play ball like a cocktail. Suka ba mo check sa akong IG? BBS akong drip mo rin Nike. Too cold on my skin Stanley. Get a feeling of back, who can stop me?
Copy, not me, never been sloppy. Been a long time, but your boy still bossy. Hot outside, but the next still frosty. Pulling 5 deep with a see more bossy. Y'all too easy, ba't ako mga sulat kala mo? Si bakit mo kakampilan? Huwag kang maghubulan. Asa ka pa na magay, I'm the one and only. Sige!